Oo, isang necklace na yun. Sabi nga sa akin ako, pwede ka dali ng ito. Yun, naka-anim na rice ako. Naka-anim na rice ako. Anim na rice. Kasi nung pag-inom ko
May lasing na, may lasing na. May kumakanta na. Pauline, ha? Lasing na.
Mangungulin nito, tapos bigyan ko para mag-uulong. Food trip. Yung buwan, food trip.
Mastermind.
Kahit may ganitong kilalang na sa bote.
Jackie, ha?
Alis naman to.
Hindi nga.
Oo nga, promise.
Ano ba yung sasabi mo?
Well, I'm talking about glass of sandwich.
So, lasing ka na yan. Oh, why are you talking in English? You know, France is the only one speaking in English here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then, you also speak in English.
Oh, come on. Actually, I kind of like
Oh.
English. Wait, what's up?
Later. Don't you think that Pauline is already drunk?
No.
Look at her eyes.
Don't base on the eyes.
Where?
Well, actually,
And
based
you?
on the
JR.
walking. Based on...
Really? You're so cute, ah. You know, ha?
Oh,
Later.
that's bad.
No microphone.
Oh, microphone, yeah.
Singing.
Okay.
Video, okay?
Accepted.
Okay.
Agree.
Yeah. I like that.
Oh.
Yep, yep.
Hmm?